Did you know that the world's forests store up to 50% of the CO2 in the atmosphere? Tropical rainforests are characterized as the rainiest ecosystems on the planet. In the jungle, a rich and diverse biodiversity of animal species hides. Insects, birds, elusive reptiles, moisture-loving amphibians, and mammals with various adaptations to the trees from which they obtain their food or behind which they hide to hunt their prey are abundant. The flora of the jungle is adapted to the unique climatic conditions found in these astonishing ecosystems, including humidity and heat.